Dear listener, welcome to my channel. Topic of this video is Ngram language model and exercises using Bigram, Trigram and Fourgram. Now see the definition of Ngram model. An Ngram is contiguous sequence of n items from given sample of text or speech. The items can be phonemes, syllable, letter, words or base pair according to the application. Ngram typically are collected from text or speech corpus. Now we see the derivation for Ngram model. Basic formula of conditional probabilities. Probability of B given A is equal to probability of A and B, that is two events occurring simultaneously, divided by probability of A. We can arrange this equation like this. Probability of A and B is equal to probability of A into probability of B given A. If more variables are involved, we can write down the equation like probability of A into probability of B given A, probability of C given A and B, probability of D given A, B and C. We can extend the same formula for up to n variables, that is probability from x1 to xn, and we can write down in this way. First variable that is independent, that is probability of x1, and last one that is xn is depend on all previous word from x1 to xn minus 1. For example, probability of above 5 minutes from, so p of about into p of 5 given about, probability of minute given about 5, probability of from given above 5 minutes. So we can represent the equation or formula for above 5 minutes from using the chain rule. Now we just modify this formula which is used in our Ngram model, that is probability of words in sentences. Probability from W1 to Wn is, it is a projection operation, multiplication of the probabilities, that is probability of Wi depend from W1 to Wi minus 1. Here the value of I varies, and that is nothing but our unigram, bigram, trigram model. When I is equal to 1, it is called unigram model, and here there is no history is used. When I is 1, it is only probability of W1, previous history is absent. Bigram model, that is 2 gram, one word is history is used, that is I equal to 2. So W2 is depend on the previous word, that is W1. In trigram, 2 words history is used. In 4 gram, 3 words history is used, and like this it will extend up to n gram. So in n gram up to n from up to n minus 1 history is used. Generally in practical application, bigram, trigram and 4 grams are used. Now we see each gram with a proper example and the formulation. Unigram, that is 1 gram, no history is used. For example, our sentence is above 5 minutes from, thus dash 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 indicates you want to predict what is the word after the from. Now make assumption that in the corpus dinner word is present with the highest probability. Unigram doesn't take into account the probability with previous word like from, minutes, that is a previous word combination. It will directly predict the word which having the highest probability. Therefore, unigram will predict the word dinner. Therefore, above 5 minutes from, it will predict the next word is dinner. This is the unigram model, means there is no history with the previous word is taken into the consideration. Now see the bigram, that is 2 gram model. Here one word history is used. Probability formula becomes that probability of W2 given W1. This formula can be represented as count of Wi minus 1, Wi divided by Wi minus 1. I minus 1 is the previous word and the I is the word which is to be predicted. Now above 5 minutes from. Now here we make the assumption that next word may be college or class. Now the formula becomes probability of college given above 5 minutes from is equal to count of above 5 minutes from college divided by above 5 minutes from. Here Wi minus 1 is above 5 minutes from and Wi is college. So we are writing the equation like this, and similarly we can write down the equation for the class also. Now we break down this equation into smaller parts. Above 5 minutes from, now this is our denominator, above 5 minutes from. Now here the probability of about, this is independent probability, but we can take with the start of the sentence. This indicate the start of the sentence. Probability of about given the start of the sentence, that is depend on only previous one word. Probability of 5 given about, that is Phi is depend on the about, that is previous one word. Probability of minutes given phi. Probability of phi from given minutes. So this is the equation, and we write down the equation for the numerator. In the numerator, we are going to consider the two cases. One is college and second is class. Now I will explain the equation for college. Similarly, we can write down the equation for the class. Above 5 minutes from college, probability of above given the start of the sentence into probability of phi given about, probability of minutes given phi, probability of from given minutes, and probability from college given from. Now here we are using the one word history, that is start of the sentence, about, phi, minutes, and from. That's why it is a Bigram model. Similarly, we can write down the equation for the class. Now we just put that value into the equation, that is numerator is above 5 minutes from college and denominator is above 5 minutes from. When we write down this equation, we are getting the equation probability of college given from, that is next word prediction depends only on the previous word. Probability of college given from and probability of class given from. We will check whose probability is more. For example, if the probability of class is more, the next predicted word will be class word. Next is trigram model. That is it here 3-gram model. 2 words history is used. Now here the equation becomes probability of W1, W2, W3 is W3 is depend on the previous 2 words W1 and W2. Now equation becomes count of I-2, I-1 and I is a current word which is to be predicted, which is depend on the previous 2 words. Now we will take the same example that next predicted word is either college or class. Now this is the your denominator part, above 5 minutes from. Now here we are not going to take about, because for about we require the 2 previous word. So we directly start with the phi. The probability of phi given start of the sentence and about, probability of minutes given about and phi, into probability of from given 5 minutes. Similarly, we can write down the numerator, one for college and one for class, same as our Bigram model. Now we put the value of numerator and denominator, and here we are getting the answer like probability of college given minutes from and probability of class given minutes from. That is a 2 word history is used. Here we take the probability, and if the answer of the probability of college is more, the next predicted word is a college. Next is the 4-gram model. In similarly like 2-gram, 3-gram, in 4-gram previous 3 word history is used. So this is the equation. Now here above 5 minutes from, we have to directly start with the minutes, because we require to use 3 previous word history, that is start of the sentence, about and phi, then probability of from, which is depend on above 5 minutes. So this is our denominator and this is the numerator, and we are following the same procedure like Bigram and Trigram, and we are getting the equation like probability of college given 5 minutes from and probability of, this is class, not the college, class given 5 minutes from. So that is depends on the previous 3 words. As number of previous state or history increases, it is very difficult to match that set of words in corpus, because in corpus it is very easy to find out the combination with the 1 word or 2 word, but as 5 minutes from, so it is very difficult to find out this particular patch in the corpus with respect to college or with respect to class. So as number of histories increases, it is very difficult to match. Probabilities of larger collection of word is minimum. To overcome this problem, we generally use the Bigram model. Now we will see the exercise. Now all of this previous equation will be get cleared with the exercises. Estimate Bigram probabilities. What is the most probable next word predicted by the model for the following word sequence? So first we are solving the problem with the Bigram, then Trigram and Fourgram. This is a given corpus. So these are nothing but the training data. These sentences are there. I am Henry. I like college. Do Henry like college? Henry I am. Do I like Henry? Do I like college? I do like Henry. And this is nothing but the word and frequency. This indicates the start of the sentence and this indicates end of the sentence. So these are the unique words and they are nothing but the frequency. So this is nothing but the vocabulary of the given corpus. Now first problem is start of the sentence and do. So we require to predict what is the question mark, what should be the word for the, or what will be the most probable word after those two do statement. Now we are using the Bigram model. So our previous word becomes do. So next word prediction probability, that is wi minus 1 is do, and our current word, that is wi, is nothing but all the statements except the start of the sentence, because once the statement is start, there is no possibility that again start of the sentence will come. So all other possibilities are end of the sentence, I, am, Henry, like, college, and do. Means after do, end may comes, I may comes, am may comes, Henry comes, like, college, do. That is, we are checking with all the probabilities. Now this is a simple formula. wi minus 1, wi divided by count of wi minus 1. Now here denominator is same, that is nothing but the count of do, which is 4. And here we require to check in the corpus how many times after the start of the sentence, after the do, how many times end of the sentence will come. Now see, do, after do there will be no end of the sentence, so 0 by 4. We have to check after do how many times I comes. So for example, see, do I, so 2 times come. After do, how many times am is coming? 0. We will check how many times after do Henry is coming. Do Henry 1 time coming. After do, how many times like comes? Do like, so 1 by 4. And all the other words, that is after do there is no combination of do, and after do there is no combination of the college. So this is our previous word, and this is our the prediction, next predicted word. So here we are getting the probabilities. Here the probability of I is more, so I is more probable. Now next, I like Henry. Here we require to predict the next word. So now our previous history we require to check with the Henry. So our wi minus 1 is Henry, and wi is nothing but all our next word. So we will check, this is our formula, that is how many times Henry, after the Henry end of the statements will come. So count of Henry is 5. So here denominator is compulsory 5 for all the cases. Now we require to check in the corpus how many times Henry, after Henry end of the sentence come. So it is 1 time, 2 times, and 3 times. So after Henry 3 times end of the sentence, so it is 3 by 5. After Henry, how many times I comes? Henry I, so 1 by 5. Now all other possibilities are 0. We will check with the Henry and like. So after Henry, in one sentence it is coming Henry and like, it is 1 by 5. So which is more probable? End of the sentence is more probable. So after the Henry, the end of the sentence is more probable. Now we will solve the next problem using the trigram model. So in the trigram model, we require to check the history with the previous 2 words. So here wi minus 2 is equal to I, and wi minus 1 is equal to I like. These are our previous word, I like. So we check how many times I like is coming in our corpus. So I like 1 time, 2 time, and 3 time. So I like is 3 times coming. So our denominator becomes 3. Now we require to check how many times I like and end of the sentence come. I like end of the sentence 0. We will check directly the cases where the possibilities is there. I like Henry. Now see, I like Henry is coming for 1 time. Next we will check I like college. I like college. I like college 2 times is coming. So here we are taking the previous 2 words as history, that is I like. So it is a trigram model. Next is the fourgram model. So we are using the previous 3 words as a history. Do I like college? We require to predict the next word. So we are taking the 3 words as a history, and these 3 words are I like college. Now we require to check how many times I like college comes in our database. So I like college is present for 2 times. So our denominator becomes 2. And in the numerator we require to check after I like college which words is coming frequently. Now see, after I like college, end of the sentence come for 1 time, 2 times, and other statements are not coming after I like college. So end of the sentence is more probable. So in this way we solve the problem using 2-gram, 3-gram, 4-gram or any gram order. Now see the next problem. Which of the following sentence is better? That is gets higher probability with this model. Use Bigram. Now this is our problem, and this is the frequency. Now sentence is I like college. We require to calculate the probability of this sentence using the Bigram model. Now here we first calculate the probability of I with respect to S, because we require to check one word as a previous history. We calculate the probability of like given I, probability of college given like, probability of the end of the sentence given college. Now here probability of I given, that is the start of the sentence. So start of the sentence is coming for 7 times, and after the start of sentence how many times I comes? 1 time, 2 time and 3 times. So it is 3 by 7. So like our previous problem, we are just calculating the Bigram probabilities. So here we are getting the answer 3 by 7, 3 by 6, 3 by 5, 3 by 3. So this is nothing but the multiplication of all probabilities, and we are getting the answer 0.30. Second statement is do I like Henry? So in a similar way, we calculate the probabilities of do with respect to start, probability of I with respect to do, probability of like with respect to I, probability of Henry with respect to like, and probability of end of the sentence with the Henry. And we check with this. I will explain only for the first, do with the start of the sentence. So we require to check denominator is start of the sentence, that is nothing but S. After we require to check how many times do will comes after the start of the sentence, 1 time, 2 time and 3 time. So it is 3 by 7. So similarly way we require to write down all the probabilities. So when we take the multiplication of the probabilities, we can find out that first statement is more probable. So this is nothing but we can find out in a corpus which statements are more probable by using the Ngram model. Now here, what is the problem? Here we are taking the continuous multiplication of the probabilities. So there may be chances of the underflow. And second, for example, instead of this statement, yes, I like college, end of the sentence, we just use the word like college. Now see, like college is also frequent. But if we using Bigram, what will happen? The probability of like and S, that is what is the probability of like given the start of the sentence, will be 0, because no statement in our corpus will start having the word like at the initial. So we are getting the initial values are 0. So whatever the next combination is more probable, but initial combination we are getting the answer 0. So here in the multiplication, the problem is that even one of the probability is 0, but other are more powerful, it is of no use because our final answer comes 0. So this is nothing but the 0 probability problem. So in the next video, I am going to cover how to overcome drawback of Ngram like underflow, that is multiplication of probabilities, and 0 probability problem, and also how to calculate the perplexity of the any Ngram model. These are the references used for this video creation, that is from Daniel Jurovsky and Manning. If you like my video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.